Hi there DeeperNauts, and welcome to this Friday's video, which is just a quick one about this new thing that's coming out, and it's the NBA pass test thing. Basically, Deeper Networks are wanting you to test their NBA Pass, so you'll probably buy an NBA Pass with a Apple gift card, I think, and then you'll be reimbursed for that, provide feedback, and you're also in with a chance to win 500 DPR, which I know it's like $1.25, and a Deeper Connect Air. So, you know, it's worth doing. I mean, at the end of the day, you'll probably get a guest pass or an NBA League pass for free. So, if that's your thing. Okay, so now let's get on with what their official stuff says. So this is the link that you have to go to, and the tutorial link is there as well. And it basically just runs through. This is how you basically report issues. So please follow the provided tutorial, record the issues that you've encountered and fill them in the form. It'll be discussed by Deeper's Telegram or Discord community, and when reporting issues, take screenshots, save them to your Google Drive, and then share the link with the team. Now the rewards are here as well, so you've got 3 different ones. You've got the basic reward, so you get your money back for the Apple gift card which you use, so that'd be like $4 back. Plus you get 10 credit scores as well, just for taking part. The second reward is for a perfect completion, and that is the basic reward plus 500 DPR. And you also get 1 month of NBA Pass for free. If basketball is your thing, well, great. And if you're selected to win, you get 500 DPR, the 1 month pass, your Apple thing back, and you also get a Deeper Connect Air, which is really cool. So this is the feedback form. So once you want to give some feedback to Deeper, you just go on this form. The link is in the description, and fill it in. And you'll be able to tell you'll feed it back, and that's it, you're done. Obviously you can record more, which is great, although you don't have to. But it's 500 DPR for free, chance to win a Deeper Connect Air, 10 credit scores. Yeah, you've also got this tutorial as well that goes through the whole thing, step by step. And there's some really cool links in here. There's a fake address generator, which is really smart. I didn't know that existed, but I'm going to use that in the future. This is only open, it looks like, to Apple users. So if you're on like Android, or you don't have a Mac, then you're pretty screwed, I think. I mean, if you have like an iPad, perhaps, I don't know. But it basically goes through here, and it will tell you exactly step by step how to do the tunnels, how to set it all up, and how to get it all on. So that is it, and you can win an NBA pass for basketball. I'm pretty sure it's basketball, or it could be baseball, I don't know. So that is it. Sorry if you can hear noise in the background. There's a storm at the minute. It's Storm Bennyview or Bonnie Bass or whatever, I don't know, but it's windy outside. Yeah, so thank you very much, cheers for watching, and I will see you on Sunday for the weekly update with token news of how it's gone down, I mean up or down, and yeah, so thanks guys, catch you later, bye bye.